Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to turn on SafeSearch in Google Chrome. So to start, open Google Chrome. Then what you need to do is to search for Google. So let's search Google, press enter, click this website right here. Then what you need to do is to click your profile in the top right corner. Next, look for SafeSearch. So click SafeSearch. So this will take you to the SafeSearch settings page. So this is where you can see three options. You have filter, blur, and off. So by default, filter may be selected, which means SafeSearch is turned on. If you want to disable it, just click turned off. If you want to turn it on, just select filter. And that's it. So it helps filter out explicit images, text, and links. So once you've done that, SafeSearch will be turned on and explicit content may not appear in your search results. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.